The Wonder of the Seas is fantastic for families, and you might feel like you're constantly on the go, 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 taking your kids to all the fun sites. But what if the parents need a break for a grown-up meal, a quiet night out, or a kid-free show, or just to take in the game? That's what the Kids Club is for, and we're taking you on a grand tour of Adventure Ocean.
Let's play!
As soon as we boarded our Royal Caribbean cruise, we went straight to Deck 14 to register for the kids program called Adventure Ocean, and it was packed. Kids clubs are strictly broken down by age group for safety, and the 6 to 12-year-old area is called AO Kids. I just had to complete a simple form.
Hi, for me, thank you.
The kids immediately got to exploring the space. Remember, we're only allowed to tour the space during this open house and would never film at the kids club during regular hours.
I don't know how more kids don't die on those spinny chairs because I already saw my kids try to wipe out a couple times. But we've got 3 areas here. This one is the hangout with movies and video games. Over there is the arena where they do competitive and non-competitive physical activities, some more passive. And then there is a arts and crafts and library that we'll go check out in just a minute.
The spaces were pretty cool. If you're going to have a kid in this age group, let me know by hitting the like button.
Have some fun in there. Look, I have science experiments already.
The juniors area for ages 3 to 5 requires all kids be potty trained. They provide snacks that you approve during registration and don't allow outside food. I didn't get any video of the baby room because it was always super busy and I wanted to respect other guests' privacy. It was so nice to have this play area available for all of my kids to play together, especially since the sailing had so many sea days. This room was open anytime we went by, but it's not supervised by the crew, so you have to stay with your children here. I made sure my kids were aware of any toddlers playing, but note there may be a mix of big kids playing alongside little ones. I saw many parents use this area as a way to get their kids acclimated to Adventure Ocean before dropping them off in the club.
The Adventure Ocean Theater. Oh, it goes right into the hangout where you were playing video games earlier. There's a stage.
Nora was ready to perform. I believe they use this space sometimes for the kids club activities, and when they do, it's closed to the public. But sometimes they have family movies or shows that caregivers can attend with their kids. This was a cool puppet show we saw. It had black lights and bubbles, and the kids had a lot of fun. And the fact that this space doesn't allow outside food or drink makes it safe for food allergy families. We tried our first night, dropping the kids off.
These baby mamas are lined up for days. Not days. It's just a much longer line. So be prepared if you have a baby.
But what if the staff needs to get a hold of you? If you have a baby, toddler, or special needs child, they'll give you a ship phone so they can reach you from anywhere on the ship while you enjoy your grown-up evening. My kids enjoy a mix of family activities and kids club time, but with Adventure Ocean, we know they'll always have somewhere fun to go.
Show me what you... It's good. It's your first time.
Good!
What did you do? Some stuff. Sounds like fun.
We hope you do some fun stuff on your cruise. and that you'll subscribe to join us next time when we talk about the amazing food on the Wonder of the Seas. Thanks, travelers!